Welcome back to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida with you. Today's recipe is something new, delicious, and perfect for snacks lovers. It's the bread chicken egg sandwich. Crispy outside, creamy and cheesy inside. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add half cup of chicken and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Saute for a minute to let these flavors open up. Cook everything together for about 2 minutes. And 1 green chili. Now spice it up with half teaspoon each of chili flakes, pepper powder and salt. Add in 2 tablespoons of green capsicum, 2 tablespoons of red capsicum and 2 tablespoons of corn. Cook for 5 minutes until everything is tender and aromatic. Add 2 tablespoons of cream and 1 cheese slice to make the mixture rich and creamy. This sandwich packs in protein from chicken and egg, plus colorful veggies for fiber and nutrients. Cook for 2 more minutes. Then set it aside to cool down. Now take bread slices, trim the edges and flatten each slice with a rolling pin. This helps it fold better. Flattened bread works just like pastry, but it's softer, quicker and lighter. Brush some water on the edges. Add a spoonful of the chicken mix and top it with mozzarella cheese. Fold it into a triangle and seal the edges tight. Always cool the filling before sealing to prevent the bread from tearing. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Dip the sandwich into the egg, then coat it with breadcrumbs. These steps give it a crunchy golden finish. Now fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy on all sides. Just look at the sizzle. You can even air fry or bake it for a healthier twist. So that's our super crispy and cheesy bread chicken egg sandwich. Quick to make, fun to eat, and a total win for your next snack time. Like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more creative, easy and delicious recipes. Until next time, stay happy and keep cooking.